Okay, so another question here is saying, what is the mass of a large ship that has momentum of 2 or 3.2 times 10 to the power 9 kilograms meter per second when the ship is moving at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour? And question B is saying, what is the momentum of a garbage truck that is 2.50 times 10 to the power 4 kilograms and is moving at 12.0 meters per second? At what speed would a 8 kg trash or and let me put this question this way. At what speed would an 8 kilogram trash can have the same momentum as the truck? Okay, so let's just break it down here. We have question A, which we're supposed to deal with first. We've been given the momentum of this ship to say it's 3.2 uh, uh, times 10 to the power 9 kilograms meter per second when the ship is moving at the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. So how can we find the mass of this ship? So this is also a very nice, simple question because we've already been given the momentum of this ship. And what have they told us? We know to say momentum P is equal to what? It is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. And we've been provided with the velocity of the ship, and we've also been given the momentum, the P of this ship. Okay, so we've been given to say velocity is equal to 20 kilometers per hour, like that. And we've also been given to say our momentum is 3.2 times 10 to the power 9 kg meter per second, like that. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? If we have this formula, how can we extract the mass of this ship from that formula? Actually, we're just going to make our M, which is the mass here on the middle, our subject to the formula. And we're going to have a formula which will look like here. M is equal to P, which is the momentum of the ship, over the velocity, the V, like that. And if we plug in what we've been given, we're going to find that we're going to end up with P, the momentum, which is 3.2 times 10 to the power 9 kg meter per second over. We've been given 20 kilometers per hour. But remember, we have to deal with SI units. The momentum is already in its SI units, so we also have to convert the 20 kilometers or 20 kilometers per hour into meters per second. And if we do our calculations here, we're going to find that that is giving us a value of 5.56 meters per second. So meters per second and meters per second there can cancel out automatically. And what are we going to have if we do that? So if we do that, we're going to have this guy. Let me just wrap off this. I don't know what he's done here. Okay, so if we divide those two guys now, if we substitute them, we're going to find our mass being equal to what? Being equal to 5.76 times 10 to the power 8 kilogram. Like that. So that is going to be the mass of our ship. Okay, so let's move on to question B. Question B, another fairly interesting question, which I was saying, what is the momentum of a garbage truck that is having a mass of 2.50 times 10 to the power 4 kilograms and is moving at 12 meters per second? So we're supposed to find the momentum. So this one is fairly easy. Question B here. momentum of the garbage truck, we've been given to say the mass is equal to 2.5 times 10 to the power 4 kilogram. And we've been given the velocity of 12.0 meters per second, like that. So how are we going to find the momentum? We know to say momentum is equal to what? Is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. And if we plug in what we've been given into that formula, we'll get our momentum is equal to mass, which is 2.50 times 10 to the power 4 kilograms. This is kilograms, multiplied by the velocity, which is 12.0 meters per second, like that. And we're going to get our momentum, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 3.00 times 10 to the power 5 kg meter per second. Okay, so that is the first part of question B. That is the momentum of the garbage truck. And then there was another question, which is saying at what speed, so we're supposed to find the velocity here. Here, they've specified to say we are looking for speed. Here, at what speed would an 8 kg trash can have the same momentum as the truck? So what are we doing here? That means we have the mass of this trash can, say mass is equal to 8 kilograms. We have the momentum, which is the P, which is 2.5. No, not this one. The momentum is the one we're from calculating. Say it's 3.0 times 10 to the power 5 kg meter per second, like that. So which means this is the mass we're going to use. This is the momentum we're going to use. Now we're supposed to find the velocity. So it's also fairly simple. We can go to our solutions here. What are we using? We've said we're using the mass of 8 kilograms. And we're using the momentum P of 3.0 times 10 to the power 5 kg meter per second. Okay, so now let's find the velocity. Note to say the formula for momentum is equal to mv. So if I divide both sides by m, even this side by m, I'm going to remain with v is equal to e over m. Okay, so if I plug in what I've been given into that formula, I'm going to get v is equal to 3.0 times 10 to the power 5 over the mass, which is 8. That's the mass of the trash can, I believe. So we're going to get a velocity of 3.75 times 10 to the power 4 meters per second. So that was supposed to be the velocity of the trash can if it wants to gain the same momentum as the garbage truck in that manner. Okay, so that was question 2, both part A and part B, and the 2 parts of part B. So you can also share the video, like, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.